closely watching that market for us in the north end is Washington State Trooper Angie Yarkin. She's joining us live on the phone. Trooper, good morning.
Good morning.
Well, just want to check in with you. Where have you been out there in the roads and assess the conditions for us?
Well, I've been out on Highway 2, haven't made it out to I-5 yet. It's snowing heavily